Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. We will have our English class today. So, children, in the last class, I explained the lesson, Jack and the Beanstalk, and I also gave you the new words. So, today we will write the second bit, that is meanings. Okay, children. Meanings. First one, widow. W-I-D-O-W, widow. A woman whose husband died. Second, beans. Seeds eaten. Seeds eaten as a vegetable. Third, giant. An imaginary creature like a man. Extremely tall and strong. Fourth, giant. Grind, to make something into pieces. A large, strong, what is it? Castle.
Charging 1%. You can send me a Sitting down.
Okay, children. These are the meanings. So let me say it loudly. First, write the heading. Second bit, meanings. Okay. MEANINGS, meanings. First meaning is widow. WIDOW, widow. WIDOW, widow. A woman whose husband died. A woman who is married and if his husband dies, she is known as a widow. Widow, a woman whose husband died. Second, beans. BEANS, beans. Beans meaning seeds, SEEDS, seeds eaten as a vegetable. We all eat beans, right? So, seeds eaten as a vegetable is called beans. Giant. Third one is giant. An imaginary creature. An imaginary creature means which is not real. We do not have giants in real. Okay, children. Giants real life lo undaru. Imagine chesukodame. An imaginary creature like a man but extremely tall and strong. Same మనిషిలాగా imaginary creature, అది రియల్ కాదు. సేమ్ మనిషిలాగానే రూపం కానీ he is very tall and strong. Fourth, grind, GRIND, grind. Grind meaning ఏంటి? To make something into pieces. ఏదైనా మనం చిన్న చిన్న పీసెస్గా చేసేస్తే that is called to grind. Castle. Fifth one is castle. CASTLE, castle. Castle అంటే large strong building, చాలా పెద్ద building which is made of big stones, which is very strong గా ఉంటుంది చాలా. Sixth one, magic harp, MAGIC, magic, HARP, harp, magic harp, a large wooden musical instrument, a large wooden musical instrument with many strings that you play with your fingers. పెద్ద వుడెన్ మ్యూజికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్, దాంతో మనం ప్లే చేస్తే మ్యూజిక్ వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మ్యూజికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్. అది చాలా పెద్దగా వుడెన్తో తయారై ఉంటుంది. దానికి చాలా స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. స్ట్రింగ్స్ అంటే తీగలు ఉంటాయి చాలా, ఇట్లా వైర్స్ లాగా. అది మనం ఇట్లా ఫింగర్స్తో ప్లే చేస్తే we get music out of it. So what is magic harp? A large wooden musical instrument with many strings that you play with your fingers. Okay, these are the meanings, children. Please write it down neatly and correctly. Write it in 4 ruled books. 4 ruled books, then you will get the neat writing. And for homework, same, second bit you write 2 times. 2 times you write it for homework. This is classwork, children. So write it for homework 2 times. So children, please write the classwork and homework. Write it in 4 ruled books. 4 ruled books means you will have like this 4 rule na. In that you will get nice writing. Handwriting will be very good if you write in 4 ruled books. So please take the 4 ruled books from the school and copy this and do the homework also, children. Meet you in the next class. Bye, children.